I can swear, I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Like your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! My name is Kaiyle. Please subscribe to my channel and click the post notification button down below to be notified whenever I upload a video. So 3 days ago, I was on Pinterest. I was just scrolling and I saw this picture of a girl that has a bandana top. So I was really inspired by that picture. That is why I am doing this video. So to know different ways on how to style your bandana as a top, then just keep on watching and let's get on with the video.
Rising up like the phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs, moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest, filling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Rising up like the phoenixes, speaking my heart like it really is. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me
That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any video suggestions, just comment them down below and I'll try to do it. And I'll just see you guys on my next video.